Wait, is that a butterfly? Where's the butterfly flying? Where's it flying to?
And can I show them my popsicle?
Show your popsicle? Where's your popsicle? It's flying. It's flying. Oh, your crop circle? Okay. Let's show them your crop circle. Yeah. Okay, stand up. This? Let's see. There's the crop circle. Yeah, it's right there. Goes round and round right there. Do you see it, Saba?
Yes, yes.
All the hairs go round and round.
Wow.
Okay, now tuck in your shirt. Stay warm. Rena, do you think everybody has a crop circle on their back?
No.
That's special, huh?
A few people have popsicles.
Only a few people, huh? How you doing, Saba?
Okay. Looks like a really big camera.
Yep.